Hey gang, this is my theory on life. Life's like a river flowing, always changing, always knowing, always shrinking, always growing. Life's like a river flowing. I see my life as one big quest, along my road to happiness. It runs through perils and success. I just try to do my best. I've kept some things along the way, other things I've thrown away. When trouble's still standing by my way, this is what I say. Life is like a river flowing, always changing, always knowing, always shrinking, always growing. Life's like a river flowing. I see my life as here today, and everything in every way. And even when I've passed away, my memories will always stay. I see my life as something kind, with bumpiness that I don't mind. I do just one thing at a time. This is what I find. Life is like a river flowing, always changing, always knowing, always shrinking, always growing. Life's like a river flowing. I see my life is always blessed. Most of life is one big test. It rolls along and never rests. Full of joy and happiness, I share my love, and love abounds in everything and all around. In water, sun, and air and ground, this is what I found. Life is like a river flowing, always changing, always knowing, always shrinking, always growing. Life's like a river flowing. Life is like a river flowing, always changing, always knowing, always shrinking, always growing. Life's like a river flowing. Life's like a river flowing.